Alrighty, well, let's go straight into tomorrow because that's when the big weather is on the way. We do have that wind chill warning in effect. That's going to start tomorrow and it's going to go into your Friday. Wind chill could be anywhere between -10 and -20 degrees. That's what it would feel like outside. Your winter storm alerts. There is a winter weather advisory in effect for the entire Mid-South, so keep that in mind. That is just telling us that winter conditions could be a little bit dicey tomorrow. Right now, we're not anticipating them to issue a winter storm watch or warning, but that advisory is in place. Your temperatures for tomorrow are a little deceiving. We'll be around 51 degrees here in the metro Memphis area. However, when I say temperatures are going to drop fast, they are going to be dropping very, very fast. Let's get right on into it. You can see the cloud cover coming throughout the night tonight, getting very thick in the morning at 6 a.m. If you're still going to work tomorrow, definitely cloud cover, but the good news is you're dry. Temperatures will continue to rise throughout the morning. At 12 o'clock, we'll reach our high here in the metro Memphis area, but you can see the system is already on its way in. Looks like it's going to start off as a little bit of rain, but as those temperatures drop, that rain is going to turn into snow. So we'll see a little bit of a mixture. That's what that pink is on your screen. 28 degrees. That's just 1 hour difference. That's how fast the temperatures are going to change over tomorrow. And then we'll get even colder. So we'll see that mixture of rain turn straight into snow, especially around 4 o'clock tomorrow evening. So if you're driving home, you definitely want to take it easy. Definitely bridges and overpasses could definitely be impacted and a little bit slick over time. And then by 6 p.m., it looks like it's completely done. But 9 p.m., those temperatures are dangerously cold. 8 degrees here in the metro Memphis area, 4 degrees in Dyersburg. So definitely big changes on the way temperature wise. Well, how much snow are we anticipating to collect across the Mid-South? Only less than an inch, and that's all across the Mid-South. And that's good news for us because it's keeping our impacts limited. You can see the blue on your screen. This is our winter impact index. That means we're not expecting any major impacts, but the winds are definitely going to be high throughout the day. In fact, winds could be gusting up to 20 miles an hour tomorrow morning before the system even arrives. And by 2 p.m., we're looking at 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So once again, if you have your Christmas decorations out, you definitely want to secure them now while you have the chance because the winds are not going to die down until after Friday. And because those winds are so high, that's what's going to cause our wind chill to really go up. So you have to go to work Friday morning. It could feel like -8 degrees at 7 a.m. Very cold all throughout the day on Friday. So even if we're not collecting a lot of dusting across the Mid-South, you definitely want to be mindful of how cold it is outside. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Around 51 degrees for tomorrow, but temperatures are going to be falling very fast throughout the day. It's going to feel into the 20s and bitterly cold weather is on the way for your Christmas weekend. Stay with us. We'll have more news right now coming up after the break.